Editing the board shape. The default board shape is 6 by 4 inches. For this tutorial, you will change the board size to 30mm by 30mm. Now to zoom back out and show all of the board, select View, then click Fit Board from the main menus, or you can just click Control Page Down. The board will exactly fill the PCB editor. To manipulate the size, you need to be able to see the edges of the board. Now use Control mouse wheel to zoom out a bit more or press page down. Next step is to change the board shape. This is done by board planning mode. Select View, then click on board planning mode from the main menus to change it. The main shortcut is just click 1. Now next, the display will change. The board area will now be shown in the green. Your choice is now to either redefine the board shape or edit the existing board shape. For a simple square or rectangle, it is more efficient to edit the existing board shape. To do this, select Design, then Edit Board Shape from the menus. Note that you must be in board planning mode for this command to be available.